my name is Sanjam Said. Today I'm talking about what is a dropshipping and what is the dropshipping business model. Basically, how we use a dropshipping as our e-commerce business, and what is the difference between e-commerce business, traditional business, and affiliate marketing. So, if you do not know about any dropshipping, this is video for you. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Let's start. What is a dropshipping? Dropshipping is a retail fulfilled method where a store does not keep the product it sells in a stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using a dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and is shipped directly to the customer. Basically, what is a dropshipping is, in a traditional way, you have a warehouses, you have a product. So what happens, you go to the market, you purchase a product, you fill your inventory. After you fill inventory, you go to the customer come to you and you sell the product. In a dropshipping, what instead in a dropshipping you have only a website in which you post your products. When customer come to you, what you should do, you know the other website, other manufacturer, you take out product, order to them, they deliver to your customer. So basically, this is a dropshipping. The simple business start without money. Without starting a business without money is also another name for dropshipping in a market. Dropshipping is the first step to wet your feet in e-commerce and see this model suitable to you. Many people want to start an e-commerce business, and many people have a dream that if they want to start to selling their products and online. If you want an online business, the first and easy and start with no money and with less money is a dropshipping. Because it give you a many experience of how to you do a e-commerce business and how to you make your own product or start if you suitable or you comfortable with e-commerce business. No inventory required. The top attribute of dropshipping is that it does not need any required inventory in your warehouse. Like a traditional businesses, you need a hold of product in your warehouses. You want rent on a shop. You also collect inventory. You then expense, and you need a many products to sell. A variety of products. Even if you are start with the e-commerce business model also is the same, but the difference between is that they sell physical to digital world. There is no difference between e-commerce business model and traditional business model, only the difference of medium to sell. They have also inventory, they also need a product, they also shipping the product, they check the product, they maintain the order. So this is the same e-commerce business and physical product. The another thing is talk to about affiliate marketing now. So affiliate marketing, what is the difference between affiliate marketing and dropshipping is that in affiliate marketing is you take only a commission from company. You don't sell a product on a behalf. Means that if I go to the company and say that if I have any software, it create a website. Let's suppose if a website create a website, I take out the link from it, I paste on my audience, and when my audience click on the link, they go to the another website which is a provider of a website creator. So when they purchase from it, the company give me a commission. In a dropshipping, you don't sell on a commission, you sell a whole product, but with increased margin or increased price. Start with $100. Dropshipping that much easy, you can start with under $100. $100 is a start with you dropshipping. You don't need a huge capital as a traditional business requirement. The good thing is that you don't need any investment on this. In a starting, you don't worry about investment to buy a products, to buy a rent office or other expenses of business. It's required to mostly this required to be a good product or product you want to sell to your audience and then list it on your website and start to sell it. Means that you take out see the product, market research on it, and you see which audience you are targeting take out your product and display or to your audience and start making money. Another thing is no product introduced means what means no product introduced means that when you start a business, everybody said that you need a good idea, you need a creativity, basically a creativity. You have a unique idea, you have a unique product to sell, you solve the problem of a community or business person, you solve the audience problem, you solve the client problem. This is the thing when you start in a business, they have a many myths around, wrap around with it. By doing a drop shipping, you introduce no need to introduce new product or research on a product and then go to the manufacturer, and manufacture is a very hard phase. Then you compete your market and you lower your prices and starting to sell it, and you have a quality check. This all thing is escaped in a drop shipping. You don't need anything to require to do a job for a product. What you do, you start with tomorrow, you go to a market, online market like AliExpress, you see the product, check out the product, see the pricing, and then go out to your website, put your product on, put this product on your website, increase your price, and when you take order, you go to the market and sell it. This is a simple method. You don't need a product to manufacture it and then try to sell hard in the market. Another thing is a less expensive to acquire. A business need a very huge amount of investment and it require a minimum bare cost on whole of business activity. If you have any physical business you run, before you know that how much expensive is that. The more expensive location, the more commercial location you get, the more expensive go to your business. It's also traditional, you go to a rent office and also save inventory. You need an inventory warehouse, is also take a rent, hire a staff, because if you start know the start, if you do a business, you know that hire inventory is also a tough job and it's require extra effort. So you also hire a staff manager, a manager to look for them, and offline to check, also this to follow. Model no expensive cost required means that your business on a digital space, and digital space only require a hosting, website, and some advertising expensive. So it's not like a traditional way when you get one thing and you stay with it, you sign a contract, and also you change in traditional way, you change 360 degrees. You think that your website is not good, you change around another niche. If you think like if you start with a fashion designing product and you see that your fashion designing product is not performing well, what you do next day, you change your website and start with a health supplement. And if you think a health supplement is not going well, you start with the online shirts, shoes, and another thing you have to target. So you don't any expensive, you have only one cost of required for hosting, or if you have any Shopify store you get, then it's very less expensive than other physical shop you get it. So on your physical shop you don't change 360 degrees. So this is the advantage. You don't need a much expensive, you don't have a need any more expensive to require to hold it. Secondly, globally trade, and only this means that you are connected to all the over the world. Your e-commerce business expand all of the world. It's not only bound to your physical requirement. In traditional market or in traditional way, you have a physical shop, and physical shop only take care of your city or your area around your kilometers. So it's not a very globally you connect with all to them. In this market, you connect with all of the where the product customer buy from any location, and you easily deliver to them without any trouble or their stop to their doorstep, and there's no worry about any money stealing or anything like that. If you do a very legitimate business, you get your money, and if you do on a online account, you get a customer pay you first and then you deliver product. So there's no worry about that you don't get your money back. Unlimited product, the product you are not created or manufactured, so don't bound to your cost product or you change stop selling any product is not selling in a market. It means that if I not manufacture my product, so I don't worry about that this product work or not. But if I manufacture my product, I have a very expensive, and so I don't change my product because I created it. I make a huge investment on it, and without a return on investment, I don't drop my product and start manufacturing new product. And this you have unlimited kind of products, and I talk about the before that you change your niche, you change everything around it, so you don't have stuck with one product and sell to one audience. The another way to say that if you new product introduce, you start selling, and those products are hot and easy to sell, give a good margin to sell, the customer also demand. It means that if some new product is introduced in a market, start selling to them in a market. You don't worry about that this product is a new, and I have a previous warehouse is filled with other product, so I sell first and then I require it. Or sometimes people are bound to their product because they make it, so they have don't have a they stuck with emotionally, so you don't have a stuck with you emotionally because you don't create it. You go to another product, take out the product and sell to the market. Variety of product test means that the online give you authority to check and test different product in your business nature. Many times product you choose or sell is not perform as you expected. So what you do, you start with a new product and start variety of other products and see that you audience like or not. Before I talk about the fashion industry, let's suppose you are a fashion industry, you start selling a fashion industry product, then now you realize that the health supplement products are performing better. So what you do a health performing product, or you also do a three product like a fashion designing product. You introduce your website, you start with a health supplement, you start with all shirts and shoes. So see different variety of split as you see that which product is which market is performing good to your niche, or to you can do compete on other people. So you focus on those niche and you check a variety of products, and every time you even you one day one product you test on your market is also people doing. They also test new products in the market to see that what is the potential to their business. Another thing is potential to scale. It means that you start with drop shipping, you convert on the e-commerce business easily. Many people doing this, the online you start to scale your business, and what happens, you think that you get your own product. Now is you have an audience, you have know how to sell the product. So what you do, you create your own product and make it wide level. Wide level means that you make your own name on your brand. Start to buying from you, and instead of your name on it, instead of other manufacturer name on, you create your own name on it. So what happened that you also connect with the manufacturer and start to branding your product, and now you increase your profit margin and also increase it and start to make a sell a unique product market don't have. It's give you a extra edge to other competitor, and you sell more high prices than others. I hope you like this video, and I try to explain what is a drop shipping and what is a drop shipping business model. Basically, if you have any question around drop shipping, let me comment below. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Bye.